The name is corruption, but the game is procurement, Eskom's Jabu Mabuza. Eskom board chair Jabu Mabuza told the State Capture Inquiry on Friday that corruption at the power supplier manifested itself within the procurement processes. The name is corruption, but the game is procurement, Mabuza told Deputy Chief Justice Raymond Zondo. Mabuza went on to outline disciplinary action taken against now former Eskom executives Shaun Marits and Michelle Akoko after his board took over in January 2018. What we see and what we call corruption is what happens in the procurement of goods and services in the public sector. The real incidence is what happens in the procurement, and we have come to see it in a number of manifestations at Eskom, Mabuza said. He added that Marits did not disclose a deal between Eskom and Chinese company Huarong Energy Africa. Marits was disciplined on charges related to his approving a payment to a Hong Kong company after Eskom secured a $25 billion loan from Huarong Energy Africa, as well as for penning a letter to McKinsey & Company absolving it from paying back $1.6 billion unlawfully paid to it and Trillion. Mabuza said he was not surprised that charges brought against Akoko by the previous administration at Eskom did not stick. We decided we were going to place charges in front of him and a disciplinary process that is not a sham. We picked the 4 charges that we thought would stick and we presented it to him, and we view them seriously enough, Mabuza said. Those charges, there's no way they would have stuck. This time we were clear that we would take due process. Akoko was alleged to have breached his fiduciary and statutory duties and responsibilities as acting group chief executive of Eskom in relation to the R600 meters payment to Gupta-linked company, Trillion. He also failed to declare a conflict of interest and distributed confidential Eskom documents in November 2015 to people associated with the Gupta family.